So earlier we were playing it in a turn-based way, but of course you can adapt the gameplay in many different ways. So here we're going to show one suggestion, and this is how you can play if you have multiple robots. So here, what I can do is I can just drop a mission card, and then all three players are going to compete to complete the mission. So who can do it first wins. So this is kind of a speed game. And you're not limited to pressing go once. You can press go as many times as you want, so you can decide how you want to play. And if you crash into someone else, that is a foul. Okay, no crashing into someone else. If you crash into someone else, take the robot where you started before you press go.
Can we prepare the things in advance like this?
Yes, you can say louder so the camera can hear. But that question was, can you prepare your coding tags in advance? Yes, you can. So you can do anything. Just don't hit another player. You can press go as many times as you want. If you press go and you've started your program, if you press it again, it will stop the program. And you're allowed to do that too. You might want to stop your program to stop your robot crashing into someone else. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Ready for the first card?
Yes.
There you go. Go to bank. Go to bank. So first you have to find where the bank is, I guess. First you have to know where the bank is. So let's see who can go there first. Oh. Oh.
Why?
Go!
Remember, no crashing into another robot?
No! No! No, why? That's why.
Yes.
Okay,
No!
complete.
No! No!
So there, Mew gets the go to bank card.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
goes to bank.
Thank you.
Oh, my. Yeah, I should probably have 2 of these in advance. Turn left and turn right. They become very useful.
The next card. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just preparing again.
Okay, next card. Match day. Go to sport complex.
Oh.
Go to sport complex.
Come on. Do I have a one? Go! 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 No! Why are you not going? Why can't I go?
Yes.
No!
Okay,
Oh no!
My turn.
so you got it?
Yes.
Golf got that.
Oh, come on!
You can leave the robot where it is.
Okay.
So we just continue playing. So now I'm going to fire more missions at you. So after one mission is completed, I'm going to fire the next one straight away, okay? So you can keep on playing, okay? Next mission, go to shopping mall. Shopping day. Go to shopping mall.
Come on.
Who's got that?
Go! Go!
Oh,
It's over! It's over! It's over!
Not fair.
Okay. Next mission, go to hospital.
Oh my goodness, have I broken my leg?
Oh.
Where is the hospital? Oh no! It's on the other side. It's on the other side of the thing.
No, Mew, no.
Sorry, guys.
Okay. Golf got that.
Mew got that.
The next one is pick up scientific sample from the forest.
Oh.
You can go and take it to the science lab.
Oh, I'm gonna block you first things first.
Hey, man.
Or, yeah, good luck. I'm gonna block
Block
you.
me. No.
I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block you. Oh shoot. No.
Side left.
This has to be it. Turn left. Boom, boom. Take these out. Can I do this? Oh, come on.
Bye bye, Ben.
Oh no. Good luck.
Okay.
Good luck. Hello.
So as you can see here, in the pickup mission, everyone else has come to block golf, so we can drop the scientific experiment at the science lab. But it's okay. I'm just going to introduce another mission.
Just keep throwing them in.
2 more mission.
What?
Wedding decoration. Pick up the flowers from the flower field and take it to the hotel. And I'm going to drop 1 more mission too. Go to pizza shop. So now there's 3 missions.
My hands aren't fast enough. Why does it need to have the weird loading sequence?
The loading sequence is what Mojobot uses to detect the map. So it will make sure that Mojobot moves correctly.
Oh no! What?
Oh, yeah, we crashed. So
Oh!
who crashed into who?
I don't really know. I forgot to
I think
pick
you
up.
crashed into.
to be so strong.
I think yellow crashed into green, looking at this.
Wait, where was I last time? Oh, at the lab.
Okay.
Wait, what else was there again?
Look at these are the missions. There's the science. Pick up the science.
Pizza, pizza.
Pick
Where's
up
the
flowers
pizza?
for the pizza.
Left turn 1. Forward. 5. Step into 5. I cannot go. I cannot go. No. Hold on. Go. No.
See, that's what happens when Mojobot is off. You can stop him and bring him back.
No. 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 Why would you do this to me, Mojobot? No. Oh, he's still building.
So you have to put Mojobot in the middle, otherwise the sensor wouldn't work properly.
4, 2. Oh, come on.
Oh, it's a close one, a close race. But no one's doing it. No one is
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I can put down
Okay.
flower at the hotel.
No flowers there.
Oh, no, you don't.
I'll pick up
Okay, you're
it.
still here.
Oh, no, you don't.
So there's still 2 missions here?
What else was there?
Table?
Flower.
Flower. This is so much better. This is so much better. Right turn. You might have a right. Yes. Good. Turn right. Yes. Forward. Once. Right. 1.
So there's still the flowers there, which was not successfully picked up.
Forward.
Oh, is there going to be a crash?
Hey,
There
You
it
can
is.
stop? You can stop? Okay.
Well, I'm going the long way around. Wait, where were the science stuff again? Wait, who has the science stuff?
Yeah, who has the scientific?
Oh, she has it.
No.
No.
She
Yeah.
does.
Yes, you have it.
You have it.
It
Wait,
is you.
please,
Yeah.
drop that on your mission. I am
You put it in the middle.
Residual picture. So I can go back. Picture. Did no one get it? Oh, I can still stop them. Wait, what does she have right now? I'm worried. Where is she going?
Yes. I'm going to
Okay.
and put down flower.
Put down.
Okay. So you've put down the flowers at the hotel.
Yes.
Yes. There's the flowers at the hotel.
Perfect.
So you get that. And you get this card.
Yes.
Please don't have some new
Dog.
cards.
You have put down the scientific samples. And you get, okay. So now, who's got how many stars?
4.
I have 4 stars.
Four stars.
4.
4 stars.
1.
1 star. Okay, never mind. You have your chance.
Yeah.
We'll do one more round.
Alright.
Last round, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna bring out 3 cards.
3,
3 cards.
2.
Or I'll just bring out 4. Okay, it's the last round, so I'll bring out 4 cards.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe you can make some more points. Okay, let's go.
Whoa.
So there's the pizza at the pizza shop, and the eggs at the chicken. The eggs at the chicken. And then there's the go-to amusement park. And then there's a golden ticket. Get the golden ticket from the park and take it to the chocolate factory.
Charlie and Chocolate Factory reference. Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. No! You're kidding me. You're kidding.
Oh, oh.
Ow.
Amusement park.
Oh.
Who's gone to the amusement park? Who's yellow? Good
That
job,
would be
man.
Okay.
Chicken. Restaurant.
Yes. Restaurant.
Wait, when she said the pizza, right?
Oh, fast.
When she gotta go with the whole. She gotta
Oh,
go
it's
to the.
gonna crash. Then stop it. Stop it.
No, 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 no.
Stop.
Oh,
Yeah.
she gotta go to the hotel? I don't think so.
Okay.
No!
Where you go,
I cannot allow this!
Where you go, man?
Clean.
Where you go, man?
Going to the pizza shop, right?
Yes.
And
I
you're
put
going
down
to
the
the chocolate factory.
chocolate factory.
Okay. You have the golden ticket.
Wait, who's trying to get. Wait, someone's trying to get to the.
There, 2 more stars.
Someone's gonna get to the hotel, I cannot allow that.
Who's got the eggs?
Me.
Okay. Who's gonna get the pizza?
Where was the
Pizza there.
Oh,
Oh,
I don't think so, I'm blocking you.
Oh,
I'm blocking.
who crashed?
I did.
Okay. Come back. You started here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Man อยากไปด้านหน้าก่อนโอเค
Oh, why would I do that?
It's so short, thank you.
To the hotel.
Hotel?
To the hotel.
Oh no. Oh no. I can at least stop you from winning.
No, not a minute.
Yeah.
A more.
I cannot allow you to get to the hotel. Boom.
Don't worry, man. I have a 6 star.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
yeah, now.
Yeah.
Doing.
Don't worry, man.
Well, you're not gonna get an 8. You're not gonna get an 8.
Great.
Is the
Yeah.
game finished?
You're not gonna
Yes.
get an 8.
Is there any more missions left?
I'm making sure he's not gonna get an 8. I'm just
No.
saying here.
You have the eggs. You have to drop down.
Wait, where did he drop? Wait, where did he have to drop the eggs again?
at the restaurant.
Oh, it's over. It's over. I cannot go there.
So yeah, I think the game will end very soon.
This game is like so much more fast paced.
Oh.
Bye bye,
I just
man.
beat.
Okay.
Stop sad.
So right now, I think we're at a stalemate because no more missions can be completed. Both these pick up, put down token missions have been blocked. This square is blocked, this square is blocked, so no one can complete any more missions. And that's it now, so we can wrap up the game. You have 6 stars.
6 star.
So Mew has 6 stars. Golf has 4 stars.
I have a grand total of 2.
2. It's
Once
okay.
again.
It's just a game.
I know.
Okay.
I'm joking around anyways.
So, thank you for watching and bye bye.
Bye bye.
แบบนี้มันกว่า
我
เย
现
อะ
在唱我